me show you how we get it outside.
Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon over here on this platform. And today on Roadie, I'm going to take y'all through the process of getting pharmacy orders on Roadie. Now, I was able to accept the 3 that were coming from Rite Aid, and I was accepted them. Now, all together will be about $30 for about maybe 30 minutes to an hour's worth of work. Now, I had to scan my ID before I could continue doing the delivery to confirm that I'm the age to be able to pick up the medications. Now, 2 of the medications are going to the same house, so it's really just 2 deliveries. I'll be making about $30 for 30 minutes to an hour's worth of work, which is not bad to add to my total. So I just have to get the pictures taken, take these to the location, and we'll see what we get into and what the process is of delivering them. Because I think I'm going to have to scan their IDs when I get to the locations to confirm who they are. But picking up the medications from Rite Aid, easy. Hey guys, I just want to update y'all on that pharmacy delivery I did today. It was 3 deliveries, 2 stops, and it was pretty interesting. So after I picked it up from the pharmacy, I had to take a picture of them to confirm that I picked up the prescriptions. Once I did that, I went to the first customer's house. I had a few issues there because I could not figure out which house was which because it was not numbered on either house. But I texted the customer, and I did have permission because I texted the customer to just give it to the customer by putting it on their front porch. But the customer came out and I had her sign. Now, if the person's not home, you can have permissions through text or call, but preferably you should get permission through text so you have a track of what you did and the permissions of the customer for your records. But I went to the second house after I got her the sign. I went to the second location, and I had a few issues with the second location. I found the house, but because of the cell signal was poor there, I couldn't get to the part where the customer could sign. So I let the customer know that when I have signal, I'll send you a text on both orders that you give me permission to complete the order. And I did that, and I was able to complete the order because once you send a text message to a customer, you can click the button that says permission to leave at door, and you can leave at the door. But it's better if you wait until the customer gives you permission to leave at the door than just leaving at the door after you send the first text. So that way you can cover your behind. But it went pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. And I'm done for the day. I think I did pretty good for working in a new market that I'm still learning. But I'll leave the totals at the end of the video of what I made from Monday to today and all the breakdowns. Now, I'm probably not going to be driving again until Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday. So, this is Michael Anthony Fitness, and I'll see y'all on next video or live stream because I'm gone. Like Mr. Monte Davis. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.